In the final moments of Earth's resources were exhausted, the environment was heavily polluted, and the planet was on the brink of collapse. Governments around the world desperately searched for a new habitable home for humanity. However, suitable planets were limited and could not accommodate the entire human population. Thus, a desperate plan began in secret within biological research laboratories. Scientists were ordered to create a dominant creature that would serve as slaves on the new planet, performing high-intensity labor for humans. However, the plan went terribly wrong. These creatures mutated rapidly after birth and became uncontrollable beings. They were called the vaporizers. The vaporizers could instantly infect any human they touched, causing the person to evaporate into nothingness. These creatures were not only powerful but also highly intelligent, quickly turning against humanity and plunging entire cities into chaos and panic. In response to this existential threat, the government deployed a team of superhumans to combat the creatures. The team members utilized their unique abilities. Melon used flames to isolate infected areas and separate the monsters from the civilians. Dynamic Man moved swiftly to rescue trapped people. Akio attempted to use his mind control powers on the monsters, but found they were devoid of humanity and unaffected. Jockey summoned animals to assist in reconnaissance. Tutu employed precision calculations to predict the creatures' movements and devise strategies for the team. Despite their efforts, the number of vaporizers continued to grow, pushing the superhuman team into a desperate struggle. As the city's destruction mounted, the government claimed it was fully committed to controlling the situation. However, corrupt officials had ulterior motives. They viewed the monsters as a chance to reduce Earth's population and decided to hide the truth about the creatures' origins. They also obstructed scientists from releasing the antidote's progress. Secretly, these officials hoarded crucial antidote materials, intending to protect only themselves and a few elite families. They even sent special forces to sabotage the superhuman team's efforts and ensure their escape to the new planet remained undisrupted. The team discovered the officials' treachery during battle, realizing they were using the chaos to steal the antidote from the laboratory and prepare to flee. Tutu's analysis uncovered the vaporizers' critical weakness. Their core was controlled by a specific enzyme created during the experiments, which could be destroyed under extremely high temperatures. The research team had partially developed a cure, but corrupt officials had hidden it. The team split up and, after a fierce battle, managed to reclaim the antidote. They integrated it into a weapon that generated a high-temperature explosion, successfully eliminating the monsters on a large scale. With the majority of the monsters eradicated, the team exposed the corrupt officials' conspiracy, revealing their plan to sacrifice most of humanity to save themselves. Enraged citizens overthrew the corrupt leaders, and the spaceship resources were redistributed to save more people. Melon and her team chose to stay on Earth and rebuild with the survivors, while the new planet's settlers began their new lives with humility. The downfall of the corrupt officials served as a warning, prompting humanity to reflect on its greed and learn the importance of cooperation and conservation. Earth and the new planet became symbols of hope, and humanity walked together into a future shaped by unity and responsibility, determined to prevent such tragedies from happening again.